It's Taylor from Taylor Designs and Decorating here. This is the first episode of Only Vans, so stay tuned. Today we're doing a big roof wash. Big roof clean, so I've got my pressure wash from the back here, just let the boys get on. To go up because you got Gutterman, is that correct? It's pretty solid stuff, is it? Or no? It's pretty solid because I don't want to bend it if I put my ladder on it. Well, that's one way to find out, isn't there? I suppose if it's all around, then I'm just going to have to. Good morning. Yeah, perfect. All right, I'll chuck the ladder there and see how she goes. It's very solid, mate. I think it's going to take my weight, no problem. Yeah, cool. Solar clean too. Poo-poo around here. Mould on this side. Even this side's not too bad. Mould around the tree area, to be expected, but cool. Cool. Decent sized roof, though. Alright, let us hook in, mate. I reckon take the sunny side first and knocking around. Oh, just bumped my head on that. Smart boy. I reckon I'll put this bloke out here. That exhaust going, because if that exhaust runs straight into that plant, it will kill that plant. Alright, let's get into it. Absolutely loves it. Now let's get the gun around there. So the GoPro's being a bit of a prick and it's not cooperating, so that's pretty annoying. It's only filming for about 5-10 minutes at a time, so I don't even know what I've caught on. Anyway, we've chipped through this little top section, this section down to here. Now we're trying to work this out. To be honest, I'll probably work my way back this face, start that face, and then come back to this one, all the way around. All right, keep you updated. All right, so I'll just fucking lead keeps running away from me. Fuck. Oh. Fuck my life, man. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Ah. Fucking, what a joke. Fuck. What a fucking joke. Oh, man, just come here. Fuck me dead. This piece of shit wasn't even filming the whole... Fuck! I almost need this thing up on the fucking donut. How the fuck am I going to do that without it just going... Oh, fucking days. Before I get paid the big bucks. Nuts! I'm going to have to get that stupid lead up there somehow. Look at the Chevy Monaro 350 original rims. Sick, eh? Alright, so I'm having some dramas with this hose. It just weighs a friggin' ton, and when it vibrates and the actual water blast is on, it just means it wants to run off the roof. So I'm going to try and get as much slack up here as I can. Oh yeah, come on. So if I can get it up here, see if I can ratchet the cut to this whirly bird somehow. Fucking I don't know how, but we'll see. This might be a massive waste of time. Might not be. Nothing even fucking hooked to, eh? That's what we'll do. Okay, get that out of the way. Loop that around like that. Alright. I want to bend the whirly. Alright. Something around it too. A couple times. I am dripping. Fucking boot marks all over this clean roof. This mould gets slippery as fuck. Slippery as fuck. So trying to walk on the fucking screws. Here we go again. Might actually get somewhere now that I can keep my hose on the roof. Hopefully. We shall see. Ooh la la. Oh, that's so much better now that I'm not fighting my hose. Trying to fall down. Alright, up to the last little bit now, finally. Thank God. Done. Alright. Roof looks pretty beautiful. Pretty bloody good. Pretty bloody good. Compared to what's like a big pile of shit here. And all the birdies shit all over this. Mold all over this. Fucking brand new now, mate. You think it just got fucking freshly painted. Hey? Alright. That, bada bing, bada boom. Bob's your auntie. Okay. Let's go off this fucking roof. Kill that. up with some before and after shots. Because we are officially done. We'll get a snap of that one. And one of you. Beautiful. Alright, let's go. Get out of here. It is frustrating hard work. Anyway, that was a good job. As much as I whinged about it, that was a good job. Bob's a legend up here. Really nice old bloke. Cool Monaro. Yeah man. Get some food.
Hey. Follow a code. That ain't something y'all niggas living by no more. It what it is, to each his own. Yeah. They cannot stop how I rock. Drip is a mess like my motherfucking socks. She told me to love her, I said I cannot. I'm in love with drugs, money and Glocks. Look at the way that I'm shining, I'm gleaming. I'm stacking the bread to the motherfucking cellar. They call me the baker, I cook up this melly. Take care of my fan, that's a very good feeling. I live by a code, loyalty I never fold. These haters just stay at my pose. I'm blessing the beat, now I'm wiping my nose. My brothers 10 toes till we go. No fall in love with no hoes. Just change my profession to actor. I'ma just stand up and preach like a
Yo, legends. That flash is really in my face. Alright, so just a conclusion to the roof job. We're sunburnt, we're tired, but we're feeling good. Got it done pretty quickly, got it done by about 3 PM I want to say, so I'm happy with that. The roof looks amazing. Bob was stoked. Legend with his old Monaro. Everything went well. Yeah mate, that's how we do it. So thanks for tuning in to OnlyVans. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm off to eat myself a Euros now because it's been well deserved. And tune in for the next one. We've got a couple of jobs lined up, so we'll see what they are. And yeah, see you later mate.